Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll continue our discussion on the how argument. Let's take a look at the value right for the how argument. So we have our left data frame and our right data frame, and let's merge those two data frames by passing right for the how argument. So pd.merge will be merging the left and right data frames. How are we merging them? We are merging them by passing right, and we'll be merging them on keys key 1 and key 2. Key 1 and then key 2. So let's see what will happen. We have our right data frame. So the first key 1 and key 2 combo is what? K0 and K0. Do we have that in the left data frame? K0, K0. Yes. So the first row will be A0, B0, K0, K0, and then C0, D0. Okay, the second K1, K2 combo in the right data frame is what? K1 and K0. Do we have that in the left data frame? K1 and K0. Yes, we do. K1 and K0. So the second row will have the elements A2, B2, K1 and K0, and then C1 and D1. So we have the third K1 and K2 combo in the right data frame is also K1 and K0. So we'll have another row containing these two elements for the right data frame. And the last K1 and K2 combo in the right data frame is K2 and K0. Do we have K2 and K0 in the left data frame? No. So we'll have no values for A and B for the last K2 and K0 combination. And in the right data frame, we'll have C3 and D3. So altogether, we'll have 4 rows. Let's run it. So we have 4 rows. And the last row is no value for the K2 and K0 combination. Okay, that's the merge on right by passing right for the how argument. Okay, next let's look at the outer argument, the outer value for the how argument. Okay, so this outer will join by considering all the K1 and K2 combinations of both data frames. So pd that merge, and we'll be merging the left and right data frames. How we'll pass outer, and then we'll be merging them on both keys K1 and K2. K1 and K2. So we'll have all the K1 and K2 combos. So we'll have K0 and K0. We'll have K0 and K1. We'll have K1 and K0. 2 rows for that, right? K1 and K0. And we'll have K2 and K1. And what else is there? And we'll have K2 and K0. So those are our all the possible K1 and K2 combinations. Okay, let's run this. All right, we have those as expected. K0 and K0, K0 and K1, and then the remaining. So notice the not a number or no values wherever that key combination is absent in either of the data frames. So for instance, we don't have a K0 and K1 combination in the second data frame. So the values for C and D are not a number or missing data. Right? K0 and K1, if I go, we don't have K0 and K1 in the right data frame. Similarly, if you look at the K2 and K0 combination, it's missing in the first data frame, which is the left data frame. Hence the value, no value. So K2 and K0 is missing in the left data frame. Good. Finally, let's look at the inner for the how argument. So inner will only consider key1 and key2 combinations that are present in both data frames or tables. Okay? So in our case, which key1 and key2 combinations are common in both? So let's see. In the left data frame, we have K0 and K0. Do we have that in the right data frame? Yes. So that will be considered. What else? Do we have K0 and K1? No. Do we have K1 and K0? Yes, we have K1 and K0. And it looks like those are the only key combinations that are present in both data frames. So our result, our merged data frame, will have 3 rows, right? One for K0 and K0, and 2 more for K1 and K0. Okay, let's look at that. So pd.merge will be merging the left and right data frames. How are we merging them? Inner, and we'll be merging them on both Key1 and Key2. Key1 and Key2. Let's run this. Okay, we only have 3 rows. K0, K0, and K1 and K0. Those are the 2 rows that are common. The 2 Key1 and Key2 combination common to both data frames. So that's what I have for the how argument. And we saw that we can pass one of the following 4 values for the how argument: inner, outer, left, or right. Great. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.